So this is our original award, this Fray International Sustainability Award. We have in 3 categories. When you entered, you saw the previous winners. They are all in our Hall of Fame with their photos and biographies. So there are 3 categories: politics, corporation, and academia. Citation is different for each of them. To save time, I'm not going there. So who is the first winner? GreggLSemenza. Tell them to put a better music. Better music. So this is Fray International Sustainability Award, and here you have your name and everything and the date.
Thank you. It's a great honor to receive this award, especially in light of the previous recipients. My work has always been dedicated to translating basic science to the clinic for the good of public health, and I hope to make a real contribution in that area before my career ends. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.